Well, the guys, man, we are outside.
5, let's go. Hey, and they were doing this. Okay, take my guy. Hey, got the mic. Now call again, my thought. I should get it. Hola, Thomas. Come on. Ya para, man. Yeah, I feel it. Talk. Wait, talk.
Stop it.
It's not time for stop. Lisa, what's wrong? Why fighting? Why fighting, man? It's in the money. When it's like you have violence and shit. But check. So like in the past hour, we've been in class about checking everyone's phones. So they've pretty much clean. It's like my sister.
Okay,
my sister, no.
Talk.
You're both of your phones. If you don't have a problem with that, I don't first. Mara benga ngatsoba nenkinga na ipamsa yami la. My nigga, don't laugh. Why laughing, my guy? Nah, dog. Like if you're gonna beat me personally, that's solved. Tanga tira ipe udu yamsava bro. Like this guy. Obvious, we get views. Now we have to edit this shit out. Okay, gents, ladies and gentlemen, like, can we please exchange phones? Check if you're clean, loyal, you see, if you're dating and shit. Hey, bro.
Another something, my guy.
I tell my daughter yesterday na my camera i2 ama cool. Da go ngata iPhone nganti next. Yes. What's up? My sister, it's locked. Why is it locked? Yalena. Ay no veza my chat. Uveza mina nalesi. Uphe ama video ka Joseph dog. Are you cheating my sister?
No.
You sure? Okay, like, do you all have any confessions before it starts?
Confessions or what?
Okay.
Confession.
Nyabona ngathi unenkani, keep all inkani, I'm sorry. I love you. Ain't like my guy, you are the one that's supposed to say it, but I'm doing it for you.
I say
in advance. My nigga, where's your phone? Give me your phone.
I just share your card.
My guy, why? Which phone?
Bring it to you, boy.
Yeah.
Oh, Samsung. Who's shaking?
You're cold.
You are shaking, my guy. Even shaking was not nice.
The perekis. Yabo kunala mina kule phone yabo.
I saved my friend. Gonna miss saving him.
Perekis.
Wait, let me just open the lock chat.
Wait. Oh yeah.
Hey, there's lock chat.
Yes. Please, my sister. Help us. My nigga, I span. My nigga, no. Why? Guys, you see. Hold. My nigga, hold. Don't like them. I need to do.
No, I was set up my lock chat.
Okay. Future baby mama. Who's this? Dollars. Hey, my sister, you look beautiful in white, you know. It's just a compliment.
Okay,
don't fight. I see like you wanna fight. Oh. Kulumana ngo Jesu. Yeah, Nkosi Jesu. Wow.
What's that?
No, like it's written here. Hey, my sister, you're clean.
Also next.
Nah, let's check other social media. Hey. Girls of today, my daughter. Hey. Instagram, 12,000 my sister. Use Wi-Fi, ne?
Yes.
Yes. Hey, you Wi-Fi kids. You think you're better than us, ne? Tine samba zula stinga na time. Fuck. Who's this? Who's this that you follow? Who's this? Who's this?
Mobile.
Who's this?
It's my sister.
You follow your own sister on IG. Why don't you guys like talk? Or like do you talk to each other? Oh, okay. She plays basketball.
No.
Tell her that the WNPA needs her. But she must be tall.
She is tall.
We don't do it.
She is a hella tall.
How tall is she?
Taller than you.
Oh shit. Yo. Look, this guy dropping bars against me. Are you gonna stand for it? No. My sister, you gonna stand with Soimel and Khalil. And I'm bes ufung shy. Bes ba GPV bengimthinta. Let's see your followers. Girl, 10 followers.
Yeah, Instagram and I follow just anyone.
I'll follow you. No?
No, thank you. I'm good.
When I girl, you on war, ne? And you won't stand for this war. I say, guys, you know what I've realized? Ne? If on it's in my files, ne, kuna safe folder, in the town, kuna by fish.
It's like you know I'm clean, but there's something is wrong. Just there's nothing.
Thank you. My nigga, please give us a phone. My nigga, to stop cleaning shoes. You also see I didn't bone, I didn't do anything. Open, my guy. Yo, matoto le password tanga manamba okay ni IT hlangene matoto. Yo. Yes. My nigga, uyehlisa brightness. Yo. Guys, you WhatsApp ya me I span matoto. But in a Facebook, sibambeni khona.
And like
It's a triple X.
Where's mobile data? No, my guy. Mobile data. Okay. Oh my God, you have that. You feel about Netflix and chill. Hey, girls, since when come on, been for Netflix and chill.
what?
You patala is in Netflix. Sis.
Yeah, man.
Ya porra dentro, motor. My nigga, you're talking to this hand. Eh, matoto kuring ano. Ban mo samton. Tayam ken anele kumalo tang. Wala na tang. Oh, China currently. Yeah, my nigga. Base bayatshela ukuthi bayobona na Team 3. Hawu. How damn it. My nigga in Kritan.
Which is what last year.
Last year?
Yeah. So it's for me.
My nigga, you look like a father, you know. Yes.
Yo! I let the boy.
But don't take it personal, my guy. Who? You have not been responding to this girl, Bunolo. I'm again. Hey, my thought, can you get ringis later? Bunol. Hey, she's a beautiful hand, guys. Profile. My nigga, even like the picture. Yeah. Tanga, nimfuneni uhlele Boxburg, eBoxburg.
Feel why the box babe.
Yeah. Ah. My nigga, you uyivalele kanjalo my nigga. You see you.
Ngivale kanjani?
My nigga, lo girl ukubulisa ngeheart when you just close it out. Nguthi, do you know who I am? Ah, dog. How? No karabo, dog. Okay, in church, beds. She likes horror movies, my guy. Oh, horror is her favorite. Ah, my nigga also like this movie, The Nun too.
Oh yeah.
Hi. I thought.
Yabona la machets wakudala.
Hey.
It's Spanish Facebook.
People who follow, my guy. Aye, my nigga clean, aye. Clean. Thanks, dog.
The cleanest of the cleanest.
Ah, we close it.
You close it, my guy. You close it.